Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix stuttering issues and the low video memory message in Forza Horizon 6. If your game is freezing, dropping frames, or warning you about insufficient VRAM, these steps can help improve performance and stability. First, launch the game and open the video or graphics settings menu. If you're using settings that are too high for your graphics card, lower options such as texture quality, shadow quality, reflections, and world detail, since these settings use a large amount of video memory. Next, disable unnecessary background applications that may be using your GPU memory, including browsers, recording software, or overlays running in the background. After that, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated to the latest version available for your GPU. You should also check that the game is using your dedicated graphics card instead of integrated graphics if you're playing on a laptop. If the stuttering continues, try enabling DLSS, FSR, or XeSS if your graphics card supports these technologies, as they can improve performance while reducing VRAM usage. Lowering your display resolution can also help reduce video memory consumption significantly. Additionally, verify the game files through your launcher to repair any corrupted or missing files that could be causing performance issues. After applying the changes, restart the game and test your performance again. And that's it. That's how you can fix stuttering and low video memory messages in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.